Assalamu alaikum, dear ninth class students. I am Gulam Nabi, your English teacher. Today we are going to do the language work of the lesson, the set of the gutters. The language work. You will open your book at page number 22. Page number 22. In language work, there is a paragraph. We have to read this paragraph. Then at the end of the paragraph there are some fill in the blanks, and we have to fill up the gaps which have been given there. So first we will read this paragraph. You will open your book and will see at page number 22. She was 5 feet tall and slender of build, draped in a blue bordered white sari which cost less than 50 rupees, spoke of her simplicity and grandeur. Her wrinkled face never marred her spirit to serve the poor and the needy. She did beautiful things to make this world a happier place to live in. Nobody cares for the dying and the disease, but she cared for those who were left unloved. In 1946, while going to Darjeeling, she heard the call to give up everything and follow him to the slums to serve him among the poorest of the poor. Truly, a philanthropist, she dedicated her life to the poor people who needed her the most. Now, dear students, after reading this paragraph, we have to fill up the gaps. Can you tell me about whom this paragraph has been given? Yes, you guessed the right. It is about Mother Teresa. It is about Mother Teresa, who is the saint of our times. Now, she was 5 feet tall and slender of build, draped in a blue bordered white sari which costs less than 50 rupees, spoke of her simplicity and grandeur. So these two lines tell us about the personality of the Mother Teresa. Here the word slender, it means the thin body or the slim body. Draped means to cover, and here grandeur means the greatness or the grand. Marred means M-A-R-R-E-D, marred means troubled. Her wrinkled face never marred her spirit to serve the poor and the needy. Her wrinkled face, what does the wrinkles signify? These wrinkles signify the old age. So here is the first this fill in the blanks. Her wrinkled face in the passage means her dash dash. What does it mean? You know that when we are young there are no wrinkles on our face, but when we grow old, we are in old age, the wrinkles appears on our face. That means her wrinkled face in the passage means her old age. Old age. Now, she did the beautiful things to make this world a happier place to live in. You know that Mother Teresa did so many happy things. She helped the poor and the needy. Nobody cares for the dying and the diseased, but she cared for those who were left unloved. She was loving the downtrodden people, the dying people, the poor people who were sick. So she was helping them. So she made this world a happier place to live in. In 1947, while going to Darjeeling, as you know, when she was going to Darjeeling, she heard a call to give up everything and follow him. There is a word H-I-M, him. This H is here capital. Can you tell me what does this word him? This is a pronoun. It refers to, because this is a capital, it refers to God. It refers to God. Dear students, when you see there is any pronoun and the H is, the first word is here, this is capital, so this word refers to God. So here is another fill in the blanks. Him refers to dash dash. That means Him refers to God. And serve him among the poorest of the poor. Truly a philanthropist. What is a philanthropist word mean? Philanthropist word means a generous person, a noble person who helps everybody, who helps the sick people, the diseased people, the downtrodden. There is a fill in the blanks. Mother Teresa was a dash because she loved the mankind. Then can you guess? Mother Teresa was a philanthropist. So there is a word, this gap, philanthropist. Oh, it means a generous person. So Mother Teresa was a generous person. She was loving the mankind. She dedicated her life to the poor people who needed her the most. So she dedicated all her life for the benefit of the people. So there is a fill in the blanks. There is fourth. Her spirit to serve the poor and the needy was never dashed by her old age. Refer to line this sentence number 3. Her wrinkled face never marred her spirit to serve the poor and the needy. That means here is marred. M-A-R. Marred means never troubled, never stopped. Then there is fill in the blanks. To live a life of dash was the hallmark of the Mother Teresa's personality. So, what was the hallmark of the Mother Teresa's personality? She was helping the poor. She was helping the needy. So, to live the life of the simplicity or the life of the poor. She led the simple life, or we can say the life of the poor. So, we can write here the poor. So, dear students, in this way we completed this language work. After reading this paragraph, we fill in the blanks. So, this is enough for today. Inshallah, we will see you again tomorrow. Thanks.